Brother. Alright, so we had a pretty long night. She looks a little rough. As you can tell, she's got the shades on, the big old water bottle. She already chugged like 2 of those of green tea. You know what I'm saying? Finally getting our day started. We're gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna go off and go see some freaking monkeys. I don't know, like, she really loves monkeys. Her goal in life is to have a monkey, so we're gonna go check some out. But first we got. Hey, shut up. We're gonna go get some food first, and then she wants some bacon, so we're gonna get some bacon. So we're gonna do that and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. All right, 20 seconds later, we're at spectacular breakfast and lunch. So we're gonna get some lunch or breakfast or whatever. Oh, let me get out of here. Oh my gosh. Go see what they got. Lock the doors. Bloop, 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 bloop. I swear, everywhere we go, we got people breaking necks. It's like, whoa. Just run out there, like, get away from my car. Get away from my car. So like, this is what we do. We just we don't talk to each other. We just like,
I'm looking at the pics.
We just play on our phones.
Okay.
We just play on our phones, you know. Let me see some of those pics from last night.
I got the picture with the dolphin. No.
Go back to the dolphin one. That one's better. What's up, dude?
Why would I look like that?
I don't know.
I want cheeses.
You be cheesing hella hard. Okay. So I was like super hungry. Forgot to show you guys. This was like some lobster stuff. I don't know what the hell that is. She got this, you know what I'm saying? Whole breakfast platter. Best of both worlds. But we're gonna do this and then we're gonna go monkey time. So we finished eating. She's gonna grab the charger so we can charge our phones and stuff. Then I gotta go to the store, grab a little charger port for this. The charger port's right there. And then we're gonna go head off to, it's called like Primate Sanctuary or something. I don't know where it's at exactly in Florida. I just put it on my GPS. She, like I said, she really likes monkeys, so we're gonna go check out some monkeys, see some like orangutans and all that. This should be pretty fun.
Back then they napped on me, now they all just act on me. Now I'm hot, they all on me. Put out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for.
That's hard. We made it here, Suncoast Primates. That's what it's called. So if you guys are ever in, I guess, Pinellas County, Florida, Palm Harbor, Florida, you can come check them out. She's got to use the bathroom like usual. You guys know that she pees all the time. If you guys want to donate her one of those things where you put it over right here and then it like extends out, we'll definitely take that for sure. We're about to go head in there and check out some monkeys.
Hey.
Hello.
How you all doing today?
Good.
Good deal. Okay.
I think we called earlier.
You did? About coming out?
Yep.
Do you guys have a bathroom?
Oh, honey, I wouldn't be here if we didn't have a bathroom.
Where's the bathroom? Hey. Yo, look at the alligators.
Yo, what the hell?
Yo.
Oh my god, it looks fake.
Yo.
They look fake.
That's so dope. That's lit. They got the smallest squirrels here. Our squirrels are like so big. Like, that's funny.
Our squirrels are fed.
Yo, he's flipping me off. This bathroom is... Tight.
You can cash all of these shells straight to the face if you want it. I call up X, I need a P, now he on it. I'm laying low, I'm out the mix, is what you call it. I'm in my zone, I'm up right into the morning. Grind and shine, I stop the shit because I own it. We in the club, we got a boogie and performing. If I get a deal, I want the shit in all hundreds. East and short freak bitches was all on us. I'm from Baltimore, we young niggas kill shit. Fuck all the hate, fuck all the IG comments. My niggas tryna spend, I'm coming. Whenever smoke, we ain't running.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me see. Here, I'm gonna see if I can make him dance.
Hey, we got a boner. They have dicks.
Yo, them booty holes. Boy. Oh, he's throwing poop. He's throwing poop. Oh shit. Oh, get away. Yo.
Yeah.
Hey.
Joe's sniff.
Yo just sniffed his poop. That's crazy that he's throwing the poop. I literally fight. What food? What food?
He just has his hand out.
Yeah. Yo, he look crazy as shit. He look crazy. Yo, he's already throwing some shit at me.
Yo won't.
Oh.
Bro. Bro. That's why y'all ain't getting me snacks.
Coop, pretend like it's Cooper. She's getting ready to hold this alligator. I'm actually like kind of like proud.
Goodness.
Babe, just do it.
I'm so scared. Okay, so.
Like Cooper, pretend like it's Cooper. It's just a.
It's so weird.
You're actually doing it though. That's awesome.
It feels crazy.
Doesn't it feel weird?
I didn't think it would like feel like this. Whoa, 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 no.
She said I'm not with it.
Nope.
Hey bro, keep on bringing some more stuff, alright?
That's all I got. I can't bring it.
Oh, for real?
I can bring it toys.
Alright, what kind? A sulcata? Redfoot? Redfoot? Alright, cool. Alright man, you did it. High five. Here. What's your name?
Tyson.
Tyson? This is the reptile man right here. Look, it's a redfoot. Red-footed tortoise. The fastest of all the tortoise species. Well, he's probably gonna try to eat something. Oh, we got a wild Haley here, eating the peanuts. These are like...
You look like you're gonna break it.
I'm gonna do them all. I thought that was like some monkey shit. Like they got some really good aim or something. I don't know. Hey yo, she just got shitted on. Hey yo.
I can't.
Yo, I am geeked.
No, it's like in my ear.
No, it's not.
No, where is it? Oh my god! Help me!
This is so funny. This is so funny. Okay.
I'm gonna throw. Oh, get it all.
Alright, let me
Is there more?
No, babe, that's it.
There's only a little bit.
It was just literally like a little sneak, looked like a booger, for real.
Is that all it is right here?
It's just a tiny little piece. Yeah. That's so funny. She literally started crying. This is gonna be a funny video.
Is it out?
It's out, babe. It's all gone. It's all gone.
This is
so funny, dude. This is too funny. What an amazing day here at the primate sanctuary. We got shit thrown at us. She got shitted on. This is just a great day. Let's see where else this day is gonna take us. We're gonna hop back in the slingshot and go for a ride. I didn't realize Tarpon Springs was like right here, so we just had to drive through. Next time, when we leave, we're gonna go back through the strip and like get everybody's reactions, because like everybody, when we were pulling in, everybody was like freaking out, like looking at us all weird. So we're gonna see if we can get some reactions. We're gonna head to the aquarium here. It's actually pretty lit, and then I want to take her to the sponge factory and stuff. Would be kind of cool.
Sponge factory.
Check out some sponges. SpongeBob, aye.
Wait,
like,
so like sponges, like
real sponges? Like real sponges, yeah, that'd be cool.
No, like a sponge?
A sponge, babe. Like they're naturally, a sponge comes
from the ocean.
Yeah, babe, you're so smart. We're gonna go in the aquarium and check out some stingrays, some sharks, and then I'm gonna throw you off the dock and get eaten by one, you know? Great. She's geeking it. Like, what is it? This is not even great. Hey, I feel so whack. Florida has the wackest grass, I swear.
Turtles?
Oh. Yo, this is so cool.
Yeah, we went and saw monkeys and like, I don't know, some of them were crazy. Alligator. I held an alligator. Yeah.
This is so dope.
Yeah, it's a little baby one.
Yeah, these are so dope. Come here, buddy. I want to grab the fish.
We're in a tarpon.
Yo, look at this horseshoe crab.
Tarpon Springs.
Whoa.
It's like an aquarium though.
Look at the turtle. He's so cute. Oh my god, Mom, you gotta see this. Hello, turtle. Look, ready?
Drinking lean like water, on my way to a addy. Been awake like 2 days, dummy, I just popped me a addy. Dig it down, do the dash, now she on a nigga ass. She already know how a nigga move, I just move around to the cash. Gotta make that a habit.
Oh yeah. Can I get a home yeah? I'm out. Alright, babe, your first shark test. Back here. Woo. Here we go. Touch him, touch him, touch him. Grab him.
Whoa.
It feels like a snake. Yo, that's nuts. Grab this one, grab this one. Grab this one. Whoa. Do it, do it, do it. Yeah, that's so lit. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, they feel good. I'm gonna start with mild.
Two very hot.
We're gonna start with mild, okay? Here's mild.
I smell it. Ooh. Yeah.
So here's medium. Medium should be like.
Medium is my best seller. It's the green lava.
Catch a fire.
Not too bad. I'm gonna just go all in and just do the hot. Just do that.
That's the 7-pot primo pepper.
Tastes really nasty.
Hot and nasty, huh? Funky there.
I feel my face is on
Oh,
fire.
yeah. Okay.
It's not hot.
Well, let's get in there.
Ew. That was so
hot.
attractive.
It's so hot. Babe, I need to get like something. I need to get something. This was much needed. This is so refreshing. It's actually kind of washing it down. I only had like a tiny drop like on a piece of pretzel. I can only imagine like a squirt in your mouth. I'd probably be dead. You know what I'm saying?
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
Your heart just melted. Like,
I know. Oh my cannoli.
holy cannoli. Sorry.
I like Candy Kitchen.
Shut up. This is like those videos that they make on Facebook where it's like oddly satisfying. Mmm. Oh. That is how you make somebody's day bad. Fix it. Fix it. It's crickets. Just do it. Why don't you want to eat any bugs? Why not?
Nope.
You're lame. Look at this big old gummy bear. That's a big one.
Gotta pack my
Back in the days, you know what I'm saying? I got candy. So what are we doing? You
We're gonna try it.
You grabbed a jelly bean and you're gonna.
Yeah, you're gonna try it.
All right.
Oh, close your eyes.
Popcorn.
Wow.
It tastes like popcorn. All right.
I hope it's like grass. What is it?
Throw up.
Is it? I don't know, it's a Bean Boozle mix.
Babe, that was throw up.
Nuh-uh, there's only apple, purple carrot, hibiscus, and chocolate.
Watch out. I need to grab
and then
popcorn.
popcorn.
That was so nasty.
No, I used to hate the popcorn one.
Did you eat it? What is it?
Just try it.
So black. Thick sauce.
Get some sauce.
Thick sauce is nice.
Did you double dip though? What is that?
So black.
Chicken?
No? Pork.
Pork? That was good. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh shoot. Yeah, that scared me.
We are going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Yes.
Zooming through the sky.
I didn't realize it's a Minnesota tag. About to get a nose ring. Because if you guys need any piercings done in the Clearwater area, hit up with Sean. I'll post his info below. You
know, just come follow me on Instagram. Hold on, I gotta get on my finger first. My handy legs.
So great for my city, I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words.